Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a green fig sauce. The kind of fig I'm using today is called a silk fig. They look like this, they're a little bit short, right? We got this from our tree outside in our yard, right? And these are, I'll check out how it looks. The skin of the fig, it looks a vivid bright green before it's cooked. And when it's cooked, it looks like this. As you can see, I boiled it with the skin on, right? And as they boil and cook more and more, the skin bursts open like this. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to peel the bananas and cut it up into small pieces and show you the next step. So I'll be back. So here's my green fig. As you can see, I peeled them up into cut it up into smaller pieces. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add some water, about a cup of water here. I'm going to add, and we're going to season this up nicely. I have about four garlic cloves that I chopped up here finely, some sliced onion, some cucumber. I'm going to add some lime juice. This lime juice that I had is just one lime I used because it didn't have much juice in it. But if you have a juicy lime, you use about just half of the lime. And I'm going to add some Chadon Beni, freshly picked from my garden, and a few pieces of hot pepper. You could use less because this is optional if you don't like your stuff spicy. I'm going to add some salt and black pepper. This is a good idea like for appetizer, you know. Most people like to serve their sauce, like put it in the fridge, let it get a little chilled, but I like mine at room temperature. So you could cover this and put it in the fridge for like a half an hour before serving your meals and stuff. It's all up to you. It smells so good already. And of course, as you can notice, this is a totally vegan dish. So now I'm going to add the black pepper, a little bit of salt, well, a salted taste, of course, to your liking. Give that a mix, and we are good to go. Okay folks, this is my green fig sauce all done. This is so good. You must really give it a try. And like I said before, it's healthy, it's vegan, it's easy to make, and you know, yeah, so give it a try. I know you're gonna like it. One little tip, let the ingredients settle, how we would say, marinate for a few minutes before actually indulging, to allow all the flavors of the fig to absorb all the flavors and stuff. Happy Mother's Day to all my mother supporters. Happy Mother's Day. I hope you have a blessed and wonderful day. If you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Yum. Really good. So good.